Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, toasters and toasters ovens. Toasters and toaster ovens. Why can I not fucking do that?
Second time in a row.
Listen to Zach, because I can't function apparently.
Jesus Christ, okay.
Cheese and crackers?
Hello everybody and welcome to Half.Ass.Garage. This is your host Dan, but he can't talk today, so I'm going to take over for him. We only have a few more things to do to this before the motor's ready to come out of it. We have to get thank you. We have to get the other training cooler line off the radiator. We have to get both of the lines off the power steering. And I already undid.
We don't.
We don't? Okay, well I guess not. I thought we did, but... And I got 3 out of the, 5 or 7 bolts off of the tranny to the engine, and then after that it's motor mounts and this thing's out of here.
Yeah.
I covered all the bases, you're good. You don't have to say anything anymore.
What about the connoter valve?
Stay tuned.
This might be the one time I'm speechless.
Alright, so we're going to jump right into it. Watch the time lapse, enjoy the music. We did a lot of things on that time lapse. Then a few people came over, but now we're back into it. We got Black all up here. He is taking the bracket that you bolt the fuel lines to out so that we can get better access. We got 1 bolt left to take out of the transmission.
Radiator's out.
Radiator is out, yep. We've got the oil drained. We've got all the other bolts out for the transmission. All he's going to take out right now. We got that 115. And then 2 engine mounts, and we'll hopefully hook this sucker up and take her out. Get some more music. 2 engine mounts, we're pulling it out. I'm going to get that last bolt. Well, technically 3 bolts, but I'm going to get that last bolt in the back here. That was giving me hell. And then I will be hopping underneath to take the 2 engine mount bolts out, and we'll pull the motor out. Alright, so we had a slight camera malfunction. I forgot to turn it on. And we took out the 2 engine mount bolts and that 1 bolt that I was having trouble with last night. Lowered the car down a bit. We got the jack here. I'm going to jack this sucker up a bit. And we are going to get... I think we're going to lock this motor in place here, bud. I think we're going to get this motor out of here. Yeah, bud. Yeah, let's chain her up. And, yeah. Lots of shit show and shoot.
That fan's gonna snap right in half, guy.
Yeah, black hole. Be a help. We're gonna pressure wash the bay probably tomorrow. The engine's going to someone else, and the 5.3 is gonna get cleaned up and put on the rotisserie, or maybe just on this to slap it in there to see if she really does fit. So yeah, till next time. Comment, like, subscribe, share. Give it the finger in the comments.
Time for me to